high-ticket affiliate accelerator. It's the newest high-ticket affiliate system that is getting a lot of buzz and a lot of attention. One of the main reasons it's getting that attention is because of the unique and never done before process and strategy that it uses to close high-ticket sales. Even beginners can use this system very successfully. The other reason it's getting a lot of attention is because of the in-depth, over-the-shoulder, take-you-by-the-hand, step-by-step training done by the super affiliates that created the system. But that's the question, who exactly did? Who exactly created the system? And if you're like me with any type of investment, especially a high-ticket investment, I want to know what the company's about and who's standing behind it. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 4 individuals that created and started this system. And if the training in the system and the unique strategy for closing high-ticket sales weren't impressive enough, the resumes of these 4 individuals surely will be. This video starts right now. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Victor Paredes here, and I'm really excited about introducing to you the 4 individuals that created the newly launched high-ticket system and program called High-Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. But as always, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you like content about how to make money online and how to grow an online business so you can enjoy a life of time, passion, and freedom, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now that just popped up on your screen. Because we do daily videos on how you can start creating an online sustainable business for you and your family for years to come. Alright guys, with that said, let me introduce you to the first person who is my personal mentor. He's also a 7-figure super affiliate. His name is Joshua Elder. He's actually the mastermind behind this system. He wanted to create a powerful, sustainable business where he could really predict and consistently earn a monthly 6-figure income. He actually was able to accomplish that within this system. Now, if you read about Josh, a little bit about who he is, Josh is a loving husband, 7-figure online marketer, YouTube extravagant, and passionate about helping entrepreneurs create a business that is full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Now, I first met Josh Elder through YouTube. I haven't personally met him, but I met him through YouTube. I started following his YouTube channel, and he has been able to grow his channel to over 50,000 subscribers. Now, you have a mass audience like that for a reason. Number 1, you're a hugely successful entrepreneur. Number 2, what you're saying and how you're delivering that message is resonating with a massive amount of people. And number 3, you work within the highest level of integrity. And that's what Josh Elder is about. And that's what resonated with me. I actually had a conversation on the phone with him before I joined HTTA. And some of the things that he was able to get across to me were the main reasons that I joined this system. Because I'm looking for something where I can create a long-lasting, sustainable business for my family and myself. But we're not just talking about good money, we're talking about life-changing income, and that's what this system's all about. Josh is the first 7-figure earner in this system that you will meet, and he completely engulfs you in his YouTube portion of the training, because that is what his specialty is. He's been able to grow his audience, like I said, over 50,000 subscribers. He has mastered the YouTube algorithm, how to get views, how to use the power and leverage of YouTube, and that is really the way I am doing it myself with my YouTube channel. He knows how powerful YouTube can be in delivering a message. He knows how powerful this platform can be in trying to reach mass audiences. So if you don't know who Joshua Elder is, which I would find that kind of hard to believe if you're an affiliate marketer, but if you don't know who he is, check out his YouTube channel. And again, he is one of 4 super affiliates who got together to create this incredible system. The second super affiliate is Paolo Barroso. Okay, Paolo is a 7-figure internet marketer and an email marketing powerhouse. He knows how to build highly profitable email lists and build them fast. He has spoken on stages all over the world, training entrepreneurs his secrets to online success. If I'm correct, I believe Josh Elder was one of Paolo's students. And I will say this, he takes over the entire email marketing portion of this training. And this training is in-depth, okay? It is step-by-step, in-depth training. He also goes into solo ad mastery training because he is an expert at these things. So this is another 7-figure super affiliate who's mastered a particular niche. His portion of the training will show you exactly how to email market using solo ads. So check out Paolo's training within the system. Very impressive stuff, guys. Super affiliate number 3, Fraser MacDonald. These are the actual training sections. You can see he does a lot of training here within this system, okay? Now Fraser, let me tell you something about Fraser. I just recently connected with him maybe less than 2 weeks ago because I joined the system and I was able to have some conversations with him via Messenger and Facebook. This guy is very impressive. He's a 7-figure online affiliate marketer. What I love about Fraser is there are a couple of things. Number 1, he's no BS. He tells you exactly like it is. He doesn't pull any punches. He doesn't mix his words. He basically tells you exactly what you need to do in really, really basic, easy terms. I mean, this guy is he's still in his 20s and he's a 7-figure online super affiliate. His specialty is Facebook and creating connections and creating, your brand on Facebook and reaching out to people and building relationships on Facebook. If you look at his Facebook page, guys, you will be so impressed. But you know what? The beauty of this guy is he's real. This guy is real. I'm so happy I was able to connect with him. He's 28 or 29. I look up to him as a mentor, especially in the Facebook niche. I mean, he's able to travel the world full time while he's promoting his products via Facebook and also while he's building his following on Facebook. Because what he says really resonates with me. We don't have to overthink this thing. It's not that difficult, okay? And in his training, he goes over everything you need to understand about Facebook, about connecting with others, building relationships, your hub, showing results, duplicating methods. I mean, there is hours of training in this system, guys, and it is in depth. And guys, let me tell you, this guy, Fraser MacDonald, is the real deal. Get to know him, get to love him, because he's already a big name in the affiliate marketing business. He's a 7-figure super affiliate. He's gonna be an even bigger name after this system gets going. So I'm really, really happy to know Fraser MacDonald. And the 4th super affiliate is Brian Dixon. Now, Brian Dixon is an 8-figure super affiliate. Yeah, I said it, 8 figures. This guy is legendary. And that I'm glad he's wearing this shirt because that's very appropriate. Okay, he is legendary. This guy knows exactly what he's doing when it comes to Facebook ads, using online traffic and strategies with funnels. As you can read this here, Brian has generated over 8 figures online using his traffic and funnel strategies. He's one of the most sought after Facebook ad experts in the world. His passion are his wife and daughter, inspiring people to live their best life and traveling the world. This guy knows so much about Facebook ads and how to get the most out of one Facebook ad. I just got off of a Zoom call, group call, and he was on it, okay? He placed one ad for 2 years. One simple ad, one simple page, one simple post. And he posted it for 2 years and just left it alone. And he brought in $1.8 million off that one ad. Now, he knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing. This guy is for real. Guys, every one of these super affiliates from Joshua Elder, who is my mentor, who is a super affiliate that actually brought me into this system, to Paolo Barroso, okay, who is somebody that I have not connected with, but you can see I've seen his training already, and it is impressive. Let me tell you, it's in-depth and impressive, and I can't wait to meet him. And Fraser MacDonald, the real deal, straightforward. Hey, this is how you do it. It's easy as crap. Don't overthink it. Let me show you step by step, and here it is. Fraser MacDonald, I'm really happy to connect with him. And of course, Brian Dixon, the 8-figure super affiliate that has mastered the Facebook ad, and he is sought after all over the world. Guess what, guys? These are the 4 people, the 4 super affiliates that are going to be helping you when you join the system. They have all helped me already. I mean, how many other systems have you joined? High ticket programs where you had a super affiliate that was hard to reach, that was hard to get a hold of, that was spread so thin because he might have been a master in one area of affiliate marketing, but he wasn't a master in another. How many times have you run into that problem where these guys have sectioned off their niches, what they've mastered and what they've built 6, 7, and 8-figure incomes on, and they've taken over that training and they are delivering that training within this new system. So guys, that means that you have 4 proven super affiliates training you in the niche that they have mastered. What better training can you get? Now, these are serious individuals, serious entrepreneurs. And that's what we want joining our system. We want serious business people, serious entrepreneurs, like-minded individuals, no quit attitude, that you come to work. I mean, you got to come to work on this deal, okay? But if you come to work, they're going to provide and arm you with all of the tools and information and support that you need to create your first $10,000 a month. And if you're at $10,000 a month now, they're going to take you to $20,000 a month. I am so excited for joining this system, guys, and for meeting up with these 4 individuals. I mean, I stopped promoting anything else. This is gonna be my #1 system that I'm gonna be promoting and I'm gonna be learning from moving forward. I've never run into a system where I can get so much value for what I invested into the system. But with the training that they provide and the support that they provide, they're gonna help you get to your first $10,000 a month. 4 super affiliates coming together, creating such a unique and never done before strategy to close high ticket sales, guys. If you're interested in learning more and working with me and 4 super affiliates, I'm gonna leave a link down below in this video. But this isn't for freebie seekers. This isn't for tire kickers. This isn't for everybody. This, again, is for serious-minded people that want to build a long, sustainable online business to provide for themselves and for their families for years to come. There is a pre-qualification process that you go through via chat on Facebook. If you're interested, click the link. I'll have a chat with you to make sure it's a good fit for all of us. And guys, why wouldn't you want to work with 4 proven super affiliates if you had the opportunity to do that? We are going to crush it in 2019. So needless to say, guys, we've got some very impressive super affiliates that came together to create and build a system to help us create a predictable income every month. The rest is up to you. And remember, it's time to invest in your business and it's time to invest in yourself. And like my mentor and friend says in a lot of his videos, it's also time to suspend disbelief.